Mushi benta ban lum ban lang yaki Samla Pule da kajing thmuru ban penyar ya kajing mut jong kajing ya telilang bat jinglong kawe hapadeng ki para Samla Pule kari Bhoi Synod College sat sning menta kasingi khalai tarik naiweng kalayo ban Sdang ya Taiew Lehkmen ki Samla Pule hakate ka shlem lani ka college week hakani ka Taiew Lehkmen ki Samla Pule layo ban penlong yaki program paper ya kani ka Taiew Lehkmen ki Samla Pule lawan ban Peit ba do Dr. Celestine Lingdo ubadeiru UMLA ko Umsning constituency ubala shim bantaru kumukongsan hakajing don rengkat Reverend Precious Timung Vice Principal Bhoi Synod College uba Frankie Nongrum rangba shnong lat maurong sat sning uba Rocky Marwen kinong hikai lemat ki Samla Pule jong kate ka shlam ajing start kumban penken mau kari Bhoi Presbyterian Synod kala seng ya kanika college house nam 8,000 khat hinyo da kajing thmu ban phai khmat shaki Samla Pule khamtam hari Bhoi kiba wan na kalong yeng kabaduna ka jingyo jingkon bakin yo ban bateng ya kajing Pule jongki bat kumjuru bandang kentiu ya ka Pule puthi ki khon Samla hakadong ri Bhoi bat kajelahi baro kawe
Sir. Excuse me, sir. Sir.
Kadai kajing kawai na do na men marim to ket ki chur ki so ki pai tak sing kan hangin chen karu ko ki kabang ka ki klau ki lu ki wa kini ki dan kajing ya dei ka an makin jabai
Kaman katang ya kan lawai badam jisok pashlay Atala
The talents that you have. Being in the college should not only be all about studies and performing well in the exams, but it should also be exploring the hidden talents that is in you. Many of you, when the house captains were having their house meetings, team meetings, many of you were not willing to participate in many of the events, thinking that you are not good enough. So the college is providing you a platform through College Week that you might showcase the talents that you have. It doesn't have to be good, but there should always be the first try for you about your talent. There is always a first time for everything. So then let this College Week be the time that you explore new things that you don't know about yourself. Come forward, be it in sports, be it in debate, extempore speech, painting, singing, and many other activities that the college has prepared for each one of you. We do hope that you will take part in those competitions. And as we can see today, many of the students are not here for the opening ceremony. So I would like to...
From their fright and shyness, we have every Saturday an English speaking period. In that period, what we do is mix up with a class 6 student, a class 9 with a class 7. That is how we mix up. We have to walk to and fro in the school compound, and the language to converse was English. So during the first period, there used to be a lot of laughter because the youngsters cannot express themselves. We hit both Khasi and English. Then when we find that we cannot find the words in English, we go to the teachers who also take a stroll along with the students. We tell them, what is the English word for this Khasi word? And that is how we learn to improve. I tell this story because recently I have been to Tashkent, I went to Andijan, I went to Kathmandu. I realized any person who speaks the global language, that means English fluently, has the advantage over the others. The reason why so many of the techies, those who are in IT department, those who are in different subjects in the universities from India get employment everywhere is because we are well versed with the English conversation. So I appeal to all the students. I know the College Week is meant for you to hone your singing skills, your sports abilities in different disciplines. But I also request you to take advantage of this intermingling amongst you. I hope every member has been divided into different houses. I think that is what I believe. So class 11 students will get a chance to mix with maybe a BA 5th semester. A class 12 student will be able to mix with a 2nd semester BA, so on and so forth. So this is the only way where you can interact. Those who are a bit shy can overcome their shyness. Those who have a good voice but have no courage to sing, this is the platform where you can open up and show the world that you can do something. I wish all the students the very best. I think you'll be giving them the full